Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ferrari B12 Superfast and this is by Maisto and this is from their metal series. So let's open and see how this looks. Okay, here is a closer look of it. I think I made a mistakenly said B12. It's 812 actually. I'm really sorry for that mistake. Okay. So again the windows are not see-through or transparent. It's just plastic, like hard plastic. And if you see the headlights and tail lights, both are like just painted. Okay, given the price range, it's too low and the details are pretty decent. Okay, so they are using the same set of wheels for everything now. So if you remember, we unboxed two more Ferraris previously. One is the 488 GTB and another one is this Evolution, and both actually had the same set of wheels. So Maisto is just going with the same set of wheels for the entire series. But rest of the details are pretty neat, actually decent for the price range. So that's it for today guys. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, so that would help me in putting out a lot more great content like this. So thank you for watching this video guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.